Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the new Subway S'mores Cookie, which is a summer item here. So it's pretty interesting looking. If you can see it there, it's got like a chocolate drizzle, marshmallow pieces, and I think it's graham cracker, granola with a graham cracker in there, I think too. Chocolate chips as well. Pretty cool looking cookie. This is available in the summertime only. A lot of other places are doing their summer menus, which is a lot of s'mores, oddly. Like the Tim's lineup has a s'mores ice cap and s'mores donut. But here we are with Subway S'mores Cookie. Let's get into it. 220 calories. Oh. You can see the marshmallow pieces there. They have graham cracker in this somehow too, I think. It's got that taste to it. Marshmallow's nice and sweet. Chocolate chips as well. It's a pretty good cookie. Yeah, it's pretty flavorful. It's like, it's got chocolate in there, marshmallow. It's all really good. That marshmallow stretching. It's actually like marshmallow texture too. It's like kind of chewy. Really good. Well, one more bite of this and I'll give my final review. Interesting. So this is a typical Subway cookie kind of taste to it. They all kind of got that similar flavor. But this one, got the chocolate, marshmallow. Tastes kind of like s'mores. Honestly, it still tastes more like a Subway cookie than s'mores, but it's like a s'more Subway cookie, I guess. That's really what it is. Pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 10, give it a 7.5 out of 10. It's not my favorite Subway cookie I've ever had, but it's still a good one nonetheless. Good flavor, and it's s'mores, so really cool. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.